everybody, Alex Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with How to Kill a Kit with Style. This month I am using this Animal Cookies Close to My Heart collection. Kept it really simple this month. And I am using a sketch from Scrapbook Generations, but I can't show it because it's paid content from the National Scrapbook Weekend. And I'm also combining this with 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos, hosted by Miranda Weber over at My Scrappy Life. And this one's going to be a pretty cut and dried layout. It's really simple. I feel like it has big impact. But I am scrapbooking one of my favorite photos of Blake. He was a baby and he's 18 now. Time short as fly. But this one was from 2007. So he was 2 months old in this photo. And I have my paper cut. I already did a lot of doodling. I just doodled around the edges. I cut my paper blocks for what I want to do at 1.5 by 2 inches. And I'm using a title from the sticker sheet. I did fussy cut around it. It was just a solid piece. And I fussy cut around the cloud shape for my title. I'm using all papers from the collection. And I think I'm going to use a few more of these stickers. And then I wanted to have some little like tabs and things like that. So I backed these on a white cardstock and fussy cut them out. But they actually came from this Simple Stories sticker book. Simple Vintage Cottage Fields. So, I still have lots of these stickers left, and so I just pulled some of these tabs and words and things like that out of it to use for what I needed. So, let's work on putting it together. Okay, so I have pretty much doodled. My glue is stuck. I pretty much doodled around all of my little I guess rectangles, and I doodled around my photo mat, so you can see how that looks. And then also on these I already doodled around those. I hand cut some stars from the paper, like I just drew them and then I just cut them out, and then I went around with my pen and doodled on them too, so that it kind of all matched. So, I'm just going to work on gluing all these little pieces down on here. Let's see. Let me lay out my different colors. Got my yellow. These are just so cute. So cute. Okay. So, let's see here. I'm just going to try to mix and match them so that they're kind of all different, like the order that the color goes in. But they'll all still have the color. So, I did 5 different patterns. You know, this paper is super old when Close to My Heart has their name written on the actual paper. Alright, so now I have all my little rectangles glued down. Now I'm going to attach these down. This would be a great way to use up scraps if you had like random scrap papers. like I said, this is a sketch, but I feel like you could do it with any papers and any theme, and it would be a great way to use up your scraps and make an impact. And then this strip. Now, on their sketch, they showed that they sewed, and I am not going to do that. They sewed in a few little strips down, and y'all know, I just ain't. I ain't going to do it. So, I'm going to put this strip here. I'm not going to sew. I'm going to add this on here. And then I'm just going to add in my other little embellishments here. I'm going to add in my title. Oh, it is sticky, so let me peel the sticker backing off. And this was the heyday of Close to My Heart, and they had these stickers that came are like cardstock stickers. So they're super good quality and thick. But after all these years, they're not super sticky, so I am going to add glue. As soon as I saw this title, the song got in my head that I Hope You Dance, because that's literally lyrics from the song. I think it's a Lee Ann Womack song, I'm pretty sure. But it keeps running through my head, so there's lots of noise up there right now. Okay, so I'm just going to add some foam to my stars here. Just to give them a little bit of dimension. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I'll do my title too. See if I can pull it up without tearing it up too bad. Okay, woo woo. Okay, got it up. I'm just going to add a couple pieces of foam tape to just give it a little bit of dimension. Okay, so now I'm just going to put these little things down, kind of build a cluster. I may put a few of these on also. I just don't know. I don't want to... I love the fact that with this sketch, it leaves lots of white space. And y'all know, if you've watched, that is not easy for me. So I don't want to keep going and going and going and adding stuff till it's super busy, because I like the fact that it has lots of white space and it's a very simple design. So let's see here. I think I'm going to add this just so I can maybe write Blake's name on there. And then this one says, "You Fill My Heart." And this one says, "So Adorable." This one says, "Dream Big." I don't quite know where I want to put it though. Maybe here. I think I like it more over here. And then this one is just a plain tab, so I figure I could put, he was like 2 months old on there. And then last but not least, I did want to doodle around the edges. I'm just going to take my 8 Jelly Roll pen. I prefer the 10, but I've run them all out of ink. I need to go get some more. And I'm just going to go around the edge, probably like 3 times on each side, because y'all know that's what I usually end up doing. See, and this one, see how it's, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but how it's getting a dark spot, and then it gets lighter. See, that's why I don't like these. That's why I really like the 10, because it is so smooth and dark the whole time. It doesn't cut out or anything compared to these smaller tips. And I have noticed that if I get it at Walmart, they write better than the ones at Hobby Lobby. But again, I'm just going to go back down this one. I bought this at Walmart and it's not doing good. So, I mean, you can still see it. It still shows up, but it's not like a big, thick line like what I want. See, and it's even cutting out some where it's not writing at all. And it's still full because I haven't been using these. But maybe that's why too, because I don't use these very often, so they just kind of been sitting. Okay. And then I think I'll just do a few little X's, a double X on here in a few places. Maybe one up here. And voila! That is going to be the layout. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a really quick and simple layout, but like I said, I feel like it has big impact. And you could do this with any paper and anything. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.